Hello, welcome you all to the class of replacement theory. Today we are going to solve a practical problem of the Model 1. Model 1 is replacement policy when the value of money does not change with the time. Here the question is given. The cost of machine is 6,000, salvage value and running cost are given. Find the most economic replacement age of the machine. In the question, year, running cost and resale value are given. In order to find the most economic replacement, first draw a column. Column having draw a table. The table having 6 columns. First column year, second running cost, third cumulative running cost, fourth cumulative depreciation, next cumulative total cost and average cost. In order to find the cumulative running cost, we have to first write the amount 1200, then we add 1200 plus 1400, then we get the amount 2600. Next we add 2600 plus 1600, then get the amount 4200. That's why we have to fill all these rows. We filled all the rows of cumulative running cost. Next is cumulative depreciation. How to find the depreciation? Depreciation is find out by using the difference between cost and resale value, or the equation is cost minus resale value. Here in this present problem, the cost of machine is 6,000. Resale value is also given. Next, in the first column or the first year, for the first year, cumulative depreciation is 6,000 minus, here the resale value is 4,000. So 6,000 minus 4,000, we get amount 2,000. For the second year, 6,000 minus 2,666. Then we get 3,334. 334. That we have to fill the column of cumulative depreciation. So we filled the column of cumulative depreciation. Then move on to the cumulative total cost column. The cumulative total cost is find out by adding cumulative running cost and cumulative depreciation. That means third and fourth column. We are adding a third and fourth column. For the first year, cumulative total cost is 2,000 plus 1,200. Amount is 3,200. Second year, 2,600 plus 3,334. Then get to the amount 5,934. So we filled the column of total cumulative cost or total cost cumulative. Then we have to find out average cost. Average cost, in order to find out average cost, we use the equation cumulative total cost divided by year. Year is the first column. For the first year, the average cost is 3,200 divided by 1. The same amount, we get the same amount 3,200. The second year, we have to divide 5,934 with by 2. 5,934 divided by 2. Then get the amount 2,967. For the third year, divide 8,200 by 3. Then get amount 2,733.34. Next, fourth year, the amount total cost is divided by 4. Then get the amount 2,625. Next, for fifth year, we get amount 2,600. For the next year, we get the amount 2,633.34. After filling all the amounts in the average cost column, we have to examine the average cost column. Then we find out that the 2600 is the least cost. 2600 is the least cost. Marking the column 2600 is the least cost column. So the most economic year for, or most economic age for replacement is 5. And the 5th year is the most economic replacement year, because the cost is very low, or least cost is for the 5th year.